We went to Keila-Joa to see the waterfall. But we may have been napping and missed our stop, so we had a little bit more walking.
Welcome back to our channel. We are still alive.
It wasn't too long before we reached the park surrounding the falls. So the first thing we did was cross a bridge. Two bridges. And then we made it to the falls. The Keila waterfall is Estonia's third largest, after the Narva and Jäägala waterfalls. It's 6 meters tall and up to 60 to 70 meters wide. But there's more than just a waterfall. There's a striking 19th century manor house. It was built between 1831 and 1833 and is one of the earliest examples of neo-Gothic architecture in Estonia. The manor served as the family seat of Alexander von Benkendorf and is now a hotel and restaurant. There was also more to the park, so we kept walking, because the map showed there might be some more interesting things to find.
I don't know my neighbors, so I'm basically one of you.
We came upon the Meremuise Manor ruins. This manor was originally founded in the 1580s, but was bought by Benkendorf after completing his Keila-Joa manor house. Since the two-story main building wasn't finished at the time, it remained unfinished. After the ruins, we pushed forward with one more place of interest waiting in the woods. This was the Benkendorf family cemetery. And I'll leave a link to Alexander von Benkendorf's Wikipedia article if you're interested, because it's more interesting than I thought. Anyways, we made our way back towards the falls.
It's a bit warm today.
On the other side, we walked around the hydroelectric power plant, originally built in 1928. And enjoyed the view of the falls from below. Then it was back to the bus stop. Here are a few more photos from the day. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. But it wasn't too long before we reached the fall and up to 60 to 70 meters wide. And it was